Come here, let me see that monkey around your neck. Yeah, oh, how cute. Yes. Is that your buddy, the monkey? Where are you going, honey? Come here and tell me about the monkey. Come here, Mace. Come here. Come tell me about the monkey. Come here and tell me about the monkey. Hey, can you tell Mommy about the monkey? Huh? Tell me all about that monkey. Really? Huh? Are you sure? Huh? My goodness. Huh? What does the monkey have to say about all that? Oh, you made the monkey kiss, huh? My goodness, you got a pillow and a monkey. Oh, thank you. Oh, be careful. You step on Mommy's toe. Hola. Now just pull those apart. Just pull them apart. Just pull. Just yank. There you go. See? They come apart real easy. That's why I told you could put it on around your neck, because it won't choke you. There you go. Boy, you're smart. Sure are smart, child. Okay, Pookie Bear. Can you say bye? Can you say bye? Okay. Say love you, monkey.